welcome to this month's Ask the CFP segment. This month's question is, how can I reduce my taxes for my investments? If you received a 1099 from last year showing the taxable gains from your investments, you may have mixed emotions. Having gains on investments is generally a good thing, but paying taxes on those gains isn't as exciting. Here are 3 ways you may be able to reduce your taxes from your investments. First, if you own mutual funds, either on your own or with an advisor, and those funds are in a taxable investment account, you generally don't have control over when those mutual funds realize gains. If the mutual fund wants to sell some of the stock inside the fund at a gain, that gain may be passed on to you via a 1099 at year end. Although mutual funds can play an important part of someone's portfolio, you may also consider exchange-traded funds or ETFs. They're similar to a mutual fund but often have less trading activity internally. This means you may have more control over when gains and losses are realized. Second, consider asset location, not to be confused with asset allocation. Asset location is where you place certain types of investments, such as bonds or mutual funds that pay dividends, inside of tax-deferred accounts like IRAs. Then more growth-oriented or tax-efficient investments can be placed in taxable accounts. By using asset location, you can pick and choose what type of asset is placed into various types of accounts. This may allow you to have the same mix of investment or overall allocation with your investments, but reduce taxable gains year to year. Lastly, tax loss harvesting. This strategy involves actively selling investments that may be at a loss in a taxable account. For example, if you bought Pepsi stock and now it's at a loss, you may be able to sell it, realize the loss for tax reasons, and then buy Coke instead. You would still own a large beverage brand, and the loss could reduce taxable gains in other investments in that tax year. There are plenty of other tax strategies like these to consider, so reach out if you want to know more. If you have a question about these strategies or have an idea for next month's video, please send it to tfreeman@monetagroup.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month.